Hello, friends. Good morning. Today, I'm just going to talk about how the people's mind work, how our ego works on other people. See, the time we are born, what happened is that our mother and father, parents, were thinking about giving us a good name. Okay, why people have given us a good name? Why our mother, father has given us a name is that it will be easy for us to identify you, and it will be easy for you to connect with other persons. But name is not like that which will limit you. Okay, but today what if you look at the people's mentality, by knowing your name and by knowing further information about you, people's ego want to limit you to certain extent. So I just make you understand how it is happening in the society. Like for example, there is a person who is there, okay, who you do not know anything about him, and he's sitting in front of you, okay. Till the time you do not have any information about that person who is sitting opposite to you, he looks very enormous to you. He looks very powerful to you. Okay, you may imagine anything which is limitless about him. But once you go near him and ask his name, what is your name? He'll tell his name that my name is Umakant. Then you will ask, where are you from? He'll say that I am from AP and Telangana, or he'll say some state. Then from when you start asking questions, what you do is your mind will try to limit him. Okay, then you ask, where are you born? Then you ask, what is your caste? Then you ask, what is your religion? Then you ask, what is your qualification? Then you ask, are you married? Then you ask, what is your mother tongue? So and then you ask, how much money you are earning. So what your mind is trying to do is that it is trying to limit and shrunk the other person's image in front of you. And after knowing that, okay, when the person becomes more predictable, and now your ego want to shrunk his image in front of you. See, this is the, I'm not telling that you are doing it. Your mind, which has been practiced by the social ego, and under the influence of social ego, your mind is working against the people. Actually, you should think very good. So whenever another person is coming to you and is trying to introduce to you, you might feel very good. You should feel good. But what does your ego is, it is internal conditioning which has been happening to us, to the human population. We always try to limit the other person, okay, by knowing the more information. When the other person becomes more predictable, we think that it is very easy for us to judge him, okay, and we keep on judging him, and our mind wants him to shrunk. And at the time when you do not know about him, the power of the person was enormous to you. But once you know about him, you tell about, you think about him, you predict about him, you judge about him, you come to conclusions about him without knowing anything. But by gathering simple information about the other person, you keep on judging about the other person, which is very wrong. So what we need to understand is our thought process has to change. Whenever we are trying to connect with people, you think that he is also a part of this unlimited universe. He is also a part of this unlimited cosmos. He is also a part of this unlimited energy. And this is, I need to connect him with love. I need to connect with him with respect. I need to I need to value him. Okay. So when you start valuing the other person and when you suppress your own ego, then what will happen is that the connection between you and other person will be like a flow. Otherwise, it will not be like a flow, because your mind will always try to limit the other person. It want to point out. It want to make the ego of the other person to very little. The force of the universe which is already existing in another person, the divine force which is existing within you and other person, is limited by your mind by making him small. So what it is, to how to make it small, the mind keeps on asking in questions, and once you get all the answers about the questions you ask to the other person, your mind will feel very great about itself. It will say, yeah, I am greater than him. It keeps on comparing. It does not want to value others. It keeps on judging. It keeps on predicting. So this is the quality of your mind. So understand your mind, guys, and you need to connect with the world. You need to connect with the other people, and on the basis of divinity which is existing between you and other people. You need to connect with the other person based on the energy which you are seeing in the other person, and you need to connect with the other person based on thinking that he is also a part of a cosmos and he is also same like you, with emotions and feelings. So let us change the thought process, let us change the attitude of ourselves, and let us understand how our mind is behaving at different situations, and let us connect with people with joy and love. See you guys. This is Umakant, your life coach. We'll connect back and we'll speak about such good topics about life in my next videos. Bye, guys. Bye.